there are a good bit of chips on there. What is up, everybody? Zach from Redwood Chronicles. Got another product coming to you from EVBASE for the Tesla Model Y Juniper. This time it's going to be a super basic install. It's a lens cover for your front camera here. Get a lot of rock chips. I don't know if you can see them on the camera, but just rock chips all over the front of the car based on where we live. So this should be a quick, easy thing, down and dirty, get it on there and protect the camera. So let's go ahead and get it opened up, see what it comes with. All right, guys, a quick look at what comes in the package. So we got the actual lens cover itself here, the protector. We got a couple extra of the stickers that allow it to stick to their instructions, pry tool, and then a cloth. I did just wash the car. I recommend you do the same. Even so, I'm still gonna take a little bit of glass cleaner and just clean up this whole area here. Yeah, so you can see, maybe, not sure if you can or not, but there are a good bit of chips on there. So this is definitely a cheap, useful upgrade. All right, like everything we do when we sticker, I'm not gonna get this on the lens as much, but just on the plastic outside. It's just an alcohol wipe. You could use rubbing alcohol as well. It'll just get any extra stuff off the plastic there and allow the sticker to stick as well as it can. So you can see if you mess this up, these are just basically one comes on the lens cover already, and then you got two more. So I mean, if it falls off, I don't think you'd ever do it, but in case you mess up installing it, a couple extra stickers there. That alcohol is dry now, so we'll go ahead and we'll just peel off that, leaving the sticker there. And then that guy's just gonna go right over it. So that's the install. I'll go confirm it works with the camera and everything. If I uploaded the video, it did, no issues at all. Even with Autopilot and everything, I'll go put it through its paces. But if the video's there, it's good to go. So don't forget to use code Redwood at checkout on EVBase's website. And thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.